Hi there, I'm Vaidatas, and in this video I'll show you how to create a simple website with Hostinger AI website builder within a few minutes. If you're ready, let's begin. Hostinger AI website builder is an excellent alternative for anyone who wishes to boost their online presence. You can create a website in less than a minute without editing a single line of code or having technical knowledge. It's as easy as describing your website's purpose and overall presentation. Afterward, you can customize the site's appearance just by dragging and dropping elements. Simple, right? It will only take several steps to prepare your website, starting from purchasing a hosting plan. Navigate to hostinger.com or click the link in the description below. Click Add to Cart to get the premium web hosting plan and access to Hostinger AI website builder. If you want to choose another hosting plan, don't worry. The website builder is available for all plans, so feel free to choose whatever suits you best. Let's go with a suitable plan to kickstart a small online business website. Besides having ample resources to keep your site live and stable at all times, the plan also comes with 24/7 online customer support, a free lifetime SSL certificate, and built-in security features to protect your website from online threats. I'll choose the 48-month subscription plan to get the biggest discount and 3 months free of charge. Enter your email address to create an account. You can also use social media login using either your Google or Facebook account. Choose the preferred payment method, fill in all the required information, and don't forget to use the coupon code HE10 to get an additional 10% discount. Finish the payment process to redirect you to your hosting account. Once you have your hosting plan, it's time to set up your website. Click the Setup button to get to the dashboard. We can begin by clicking Start Now. Select Create a new website, then I'll select the Hostinger Builder with AI option. You will see a page asking you to create a domain name. If you already have one, connect it by clicking Use an existing domain. You can also create a new domain name on this page. For now, let's skip this step. Let's select Choose a domain later. To start building the website, click Start Creating. You'll see a page similar to this one asking for details about how you want your website to look. Let's start by filling in your business name and choosing the desired website type. As for the website description, be as detailed as possible. For example, you can describe your site's color palette, background image, or short company profile. The tool also has a prompt quality checker to help you create more descriptive inputs. If the indication bar is green, you're good to go. Once you finish the description, let the AI do its work by clicking the Create a Website button. Wait until it finishes generating a website template, which will only take a minute or two to complete. Well done! You'll see a complete landing page of your online store. Scroll down to browse through your newly generated website and review the AI-written landing page copy. If you want to change any text on the website, pick the text container to see the toolbar. To tweak the text, hit Edit Text, or click the AI Assist button to create another AI-generated text. Just describe how you want the text to appear and click Generate Text. You can also click the Create Again button to generate a whole new website based on the description you wrote earlier. Otherwise, if you like the overall design of this website, you can continue with the website configuration by clicking Edit. I'll go over the essentials of how you can customize the look of your site quickly. We have a separate video with a complete guide to creating a website with Hostinger Website Builder. You'll find the link in the description below. First, to change or edit any piece of text, background, font style, add images and videos, just hover over your desired website element to see its configuration options. For example, I want to change the background color here, so I shall click the Change Background button and choose the preferred color. If you find an image that doesn't fit your branding strategy, modify it by selecting it, clicking Change Image, then Replace Image. Pick an image by uploading it to the media library. You can also browse the royalty-free stock images from Unsplash by clicking the Free Images tab. Using Hostinger Website Builder, you can manage any number of web pages and configure its SEO settings using the built-in tool. The tool is designed to create a functional website in no time. Not only that, but Hostinger Website Builder offers other AI-based tools to help your website creation journey. Our developers constantly improve these tools to give users the best and easiest website creation possible. Let's review 3 of such AI tools integrated into Hostinger Website Builder. You can easily create a unique brand logo with the AI Logo Maker. It integrates ChatGPT and Stable Diffusion technology, making Hostinger among the industry first to use these AI models. You can access the tool by navigating to the AI Tools menu from the website builder and choosing AI Logo Maker. You'll be redirected to a new page asking for your brand name, slogan, and business domain. Just fill in all the information and click Start Creating. After a few moments, you'll see your generated business logo options. If you find something you like, click on it and select Download for free. Otherwise, you can customize the logo by going to Describe Logo or Create Yourself tab. In the Describe Logo tab, type in the detailed description of your desired business logo. If you want a different shape with a particular color, icon, or font, just state these details in the text box and click Create. You'll get a new logo according to your description. If you still can't find the most suitable one for your brand, you can create it by yourself by going back to the Create Yourself tab. You can customize the brand's text and slogan, change font, or let the tool generate the icon only. Just click Change Icon to customize the image. Next, you can create short-form content using the AI Writer. Great, you have your AI-generated text already, but editing and perfecting it yourself is also quick and easy. Choose AI Writer from the AI Tools menu, then you'll get to choose a topic. Narrow down the preferred subjects and choose what paragraph you want the text to display. Click Generate Text to get several versions to choose from. Once you have the desired one, copy the text and paste it to the desired web page. Finally, our third AI tool is the AI Heatmap. In short, it predicts where users' eyes will be drawn when navigating your website. This way you can place website elements you want to emphasize in strategic spots. Furthermore, improving your website's feature pages or new sites will be simpler. You can find the AI Heatmap in the same menu as the previous tools. It will start generating your site's heat map as soon as you click the button. As you see from the color indicator in the example, red represents where your visitor's attention is potentially drawn most. Now that everything is set, it's time to publish your website. Review all the content and website functionality. You can click this mobile icon to simulate your site on a mobile device. If you find any issues, simply readjust and reposition the elements as you see fit. Remember, all the changes you make in the mobile display editor will not affect the desktop version. For example, if I move this image and text slightly to the right, everything in the desktop version will remain the same. Once the site is ready, hit the Go Live button. Wait a minute or two and your website is finally accessible to everyone. Oh, and don't worry if your site didn't come out perfectly. You can always go back and tweak those details, change the elements entirely, and improve the overall design once it's published. So that's how you can create a website in under an hour. Which AI tool in hosting or website builder did you find the most useful? Leave us a message in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Hostinger Academy for more videos about website development and other tech-related topics. Thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.